the show, bro. Wait till you go inside. We got a spot for you.
Appreciate it, man.
All right, what's going on, everybody? It is Friday, and today is a day before the car meet that we're doing at George R. Brown Convention Center. It's a Lowriders meet, not so much a meet, but like an event where they're gonna have a bunch of food vendors and a bunch of music and a bunch of artists and rappers and whatnot that are gonna be there. So today is the day that we get to be looking right, and by looking right, we're taking off this drag pack and we're gonna go and put my new tires, or I bought new tires. We're gonna go put these new tires on the original wheels, as y'all can see I have in the back here. I got the drag pack on right now. For those of you guys who know me, know that I'm not a huge fan of the drag pack. I just do it for the performance wise, but I'd rather this V look really nice. I mean, I personally think that the V looks nicer when you have the regular stock tires back on. So we're gonna put some new tires on it today, get that clean look, you know, on the V back again, which I've missed for a while. Then we're gonna go ahead and get a detail as well. Gonna do a whole exterior, interior, engine bay detail on this V. That way tomorrow when we pull in to this event, the car looks nice. So we're going over to SMJ Tire Shop right now. It's over in Pasadena. I was there yesterday. We put some new rotors and we put some new brake on the back setup as well. So we're gonna go back there today. My boy Nam hooked it up yesterday, so I like, you know, the way that he carried himself. I like his business, the way he runs things. So we're gonna go back there again, get these tires installed, and we'll see y'all there. All right, guys. So we just got here to SMJ Tire Shop over here in Spencer, Pasadena. But we're getting rid of these. We're putting on the other ones right now. But that's the look of the welds. That's the look for the welds. I'm not a huge fan of them. Like I said, I do them for performance wise and traction and whatnot. But what do y'all think? Y'all like as far as this look or the stock look a lot more? Personally, I like the stock look a lot more. But let me know what y'all think. Drop a comment, let me know. Do y'all like this look more, or do y'all like that stock look more? And once they're finished up with there, I'll put it back on so you can kind of be able to tell that difference before and after. These here are the old tires. You can see I have no tire life left whatsoever. Stock wheel there. And we're putting these on now. These are going to match the front ones that I already have. Neos. Go back to the clean stock look. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? I just think it looks so much cleaner this way.
Alex, what's going on, man?
All right, we're at George R. Brown Convention Center, and we're here because we have to drop off the CTSV. I didn't know we had to drop it off, but we got a detail just in time. We'll just put new tires, new brakes, new rotors, new everything. And we're here now, dropping the car off. We're gonna check out the venue, walk around a little bit. They're gonna have a bunch of vendors and a bunch of different cars here. As y'all can see, the cars that are pulled in right now. But there's already a bunch more in there. So pretty much check out the venue, get a little bit of a, what should I say, like a soft idea of what's gonna be going on here tomorrow. It's open from 11 to 6, and there's supposed to be a bunch of rappers and whatnot. So yeah, we're gonna drop the car off, and that is all.
You? Gauge, where's it at? You got a booth number maybe or something?
Not with the booth number, it's through Houston Car Meets. Wherever it's at. With Houston Car Meets. Houston _ Car Meets.
Houston what?
_ Car Meet. He's like, I know you gotta disconnect your battery and whatnot. He's like, you know you gotta disconnect it? I'm like, yeah. He's like, well, I know you gotta detail a little bit more. What the fuck does that mean? You just got detail. What do you mean?
Okay.
What do you mean detail it more?
I guess just brush it off or something like that.
Car show, fuel and gas section, exceed 1/4 capacity or 5 gallons, whichever is least. An accurate means of measuring the fuel amount should be provided. Batteries must be disconnected. Fuel tanks and the fuel opening shall be closed and sealed to prevent tampering. Propane cylinders shall even use. Fire inspector, you gotta get a whole ass inspection from the fire department. That's crazy.
Okay.
It literally says fire inspector needs to sign his name and a signature. That's crazy. Sit throw it on the dash.
Finally, we made it in, right, Alex?
Yeah, we're in, kind of doing a little bit of a wipe down right now, getting all the fingerprints and whatnot. But then tomorrow we're gonna be here pretty early. Another little wipe down once we have some of these products. I don't have any products on me right now except for some tire cleaner or some tire spray. But tomorrow I'll wipe it down with one of those, what is it? Those dry wash products that you can use?
Yeah, dry wash.
So I have some of those at the garage. So touch it up a little bit more, but for the most part, we're gonna check out the venue. There's a whole bunch of cars here already, and I know it's still gonna get busy with more cars. You got 713 AB over there with all his pretty white shit. So yeah, body makes it look very fucking nice.
So nice, man.
Let's say whenever you're driving, I can literally see your calipers so good when you're driving. It looks good.
Yes.
Ah, man, get ready. Hey, bro, you gonna pop your hood and stuff or not?
Yeah, but once I've got some products at home that I want to do a little quick detail on. So whenever I come back tomorrow in the morning,
Yeah. You guys have 7 o'clock in the morning, you guys can do it.
I'll probably be here around 10 or so, 9.
I was following you, but I just fucking, you know what I'm saying, didn't like a lot of shit. But now I looked at it, I was like, oh shit, I do follow him 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. It's gonna be a good day tomorrow, man.
Yeah, I'm excited. Honestly.
Fire.
I'm excited.
First time indoors?
Yeah.
Me too.
First time.
A lot of.
What are you in?
The 300, the white one. We've been around. We crossed paths.
I followed you today. I seen it. I said you were gonna be there. I was like, fuck it, let me follow.
Yeah, for sure.
Nice, bro.
It's gonna be a good time tomorrow, man.
It's supposed to be a lot of people.
Hell of people.
All right, Alex, we just pulled up. Now the V is set and ready to go, right?
We're good to go. We're gonna check out the van a little bit. Got a lot of nice stuff here. A bunch of food. 97.9 the box. I mean, I thought this was gonna be big, but I didn't think it was gonna be this big. And so now you're actually here, and you see it in person, and this meat is huge. It is huge. You're on one side of the building, and this one spot is still huge. There's so many nice cars. Wow, so pretty. 66 Beach, California.
That's amazing right there. That's just...
That is...
Camera can't pick it up, but honestly, oh man, it's so hard to pick up, but person, so beautiful.
So the one I had bought, I painted it, I put the little the tire pressures, like for the dice, and I made it look badass. And then I sold it to my homeboy for a quick flip. And then I was like, fuck, I wish I still had it. And I was like, well, I'll message him, I'll tell him they borrow it. You had no problem with it. He sold it. He sold it and made money too.
This is Alex's little dream that he had. He loved these. These are clean. Man, these are so cool. So cool. Alex, how you feel?
Badass.
Yeah?
It's badass because you know the time and effort it takes for them to build these things when you have one and shit like that. So,
yeah.
or when you had one.
Yeah.
But it makes you appreciate it more. Like a lot of people will see, oh, cool, like bikes, but you don't understand, you don't appreciate it. So you're like looking at it like, damn, they did this, they did this. I used to look up parts for this and the mirrors, and they have like that wheel like right here. I used to look this up, and I wanted to do the third wheel, like all that shit is badass. Cause you see it now, you're like, damn, like that's cool that they did that.
Yeah.
So they even got the wheel in the back. To even be able to have it on a spinning cell, like that's so dope. Badass. Pretty badass. I'm excited to see what type of food they have tomorrow though. The food, music, people, cars. That's badass.
Alex, I think we found...
If I was to have a lowrider, this would be my color spec. Gray and black. Black roof, gray inside.
I think this is your old school twin, bro. What you think?
This is me in another life. If I was born and raised in Cali. Oh, they're from Fort Worth, actually. Look at the flex, bro.
Alex had to go through the back trunk.
Yeah, because the fucking alarm doesn't stop going off.
Things that we have to do.
Hell, they must start.
Hey, we came out to this car show. We just won a PS5, a TV, speakers, all that.
Okay.